Good evening, UK. This is your host Lalit. It's Friday, along with Shefalika from Jammu and Kashmir, and we're gonna host the session on Dogri and Kashmiri songs.
Hello and good evening to all the listeners. Again, we are back. It's Friday, and we are back with the bang with all the favorite songs in Dogri and Kashmiri. And also, like last time, we will be again talking about the temples of the region. There are hundreds of temples, but we will pick the main ones because it's good to know the different kinds of temples in that part of the country as well. So, Ladit, you want to start?
Yes, I will start with one of the famous temples of Jammu region, and it is in Bhadarwa. It is Vasuki Nath Mandir, the preceding deity worshipped after the local king who saved him from Garuda. It's a Shiv temple on the banks of Neeru Nala in Bhadarwa. And we in Jammu and Kashmir, the Nag Devta is prayed well, and Nag Panchami is also celebrated. So the first song I have is a Dogri song, very new song sung by Varsha Jambal and Roshan Billa. It's called Ladi Banga, which is Churiyan. So let's listen to this song.
प्यार ते जो खुद को ला सदावे रख हाथ सिर तेरे करे वादाए कर दिया प्यार तिजो खुद को सदाए रख हाथ सिर तेरे कर दे मैं वादा होए झूठे वादे ना कर सुन मेरी ए जिंद ओई तेरी ते छोड़े ना तू जाया छोरुआ बिन बंगड़िया सुने हाथ मेरे वो लगी लड़ तेरे ओ बंगा तू ले आई ते छोरुआ। नमस्कार जय डोगरा जय माता दी आदाब सत श्री अकाल मैं तो अपनी जम्मू दी कुड़ी ते मेरे कन्नै
रोशन बिल्ला
ते कन्नै
देश को सामने
डोगरा शान वक्री पेज दे चैनल दे जेह्ड़े एडमिन न और
Yeah, thank you, Lalit. Nice song. And like I said earlier, we are going to go through the temples of Jammu and Kashmir. So, a very important temple which I want to discuss today. It's called Avantipur. It's called Avantipur Temple. It's called it's dedicated to Avanti Swami, and it's in Pulwama district, which is about 30 kilometers southeast of Srinagar. So it's a Vaishnava temple which was built by King Avantivarman between 855 and 883 AD. He actually constructed two temples and near the main shrine. So one dedicated to Lord Shiva and other dedicated to Lord Vishnu. But as is the fate of a lot of temples in India, most of the shrine was destroyed and reduced to ruins. But there are still the ruins of Lord Shiva's temple and Vishnu's temple there. And the good thing is, and very interesting as well, is that the architecture of both the temples is quite similar to Greek architecture. I mean, a lot of temples in Srinagar are built, they resemble the Greek architecture. Or you can see the Greek architecture resembles the architecture of temples built in Kashmir. So that is, and it's a very famous tourist spot now because of the sheer glamour and glory of the architecture, even though it's in ruins now. So we'll keep talking about more interesting temples. Let's listen to a Kashmiri song first.
करियो मज जिगरस जाय छमनो माय मशनी करियो मज जिगरस जाय छमनो माय मशनी करियो मज जिगरस जाय छमनो माय मशनी चतमो चिन प्यालल चाय हतो कल मरुन छुन चतमो चिन प्यालल चाय हतो कल मरुन छुन पेमो रप बदना hai chamno mai mashani peimo rap badnas hai chamno mai mashani karyo maz jigras jai chamno mai mashani Parai gurt gund zeri paine rai vat buchani parai gurt gund zeri paine rai vat buchani buchiyo Ot tsayen grai chamno mai mashani vuchio Ot tsayen grai chamno mai mashani karyo maz jigras jai chamno mai mashani Kutya ay kutya galti mai drai yemi bazari kutya ay kutya galti mai drai yemi bazari yem drai Timne vapas ai chamno mai mashani yimdrai timne vapas ai chamno mai mashani karyo maz jigras jai chamno mai mashani Sakamiu sani tapnai dai me kani chuk roshani Sakamiu sani tapnai dai me kani chuk roshani roshnas Chumn poshan pai chamno mai mashani roshna पोषण पाय छन्नो माय मशनी करियो मज जिगरस जाय छन्नो माय मशनी करियो मज जिगरस जाय छन्नो माय मशनी करियो मज जिगरस जाय छन्नो माय मशनी
Lovely Kashmiri song. And as you know, we are discussing today again the temples of Jammu and Kashmir. So the next temple I'm going to talk about is Machel Chandi Mata Temple. It is in Kishtwar in the Padar Valley. And Machel Chandi Mata is a goddess Durga shrine, popularly known as Machel Mata. It is in the village of Machel, and from there it derives its name. It's in Kishtwar district of Jammu region. The goddess Durga is also, as you know, known by the name of Kali or Chandi. Machel Mata is a very popular shrine, and every August in the Bhado month, there is a mela, and people go for the journey to visit Machel Mata. It is a popular belief that if you have some wish and you pray to Machel Mata, that whenever we get this wish fulfilled, we will pay obedience to you. And then people go there, and it is believed that it always happens. So Machel Chandi Mata is a very popular Dogra destination, and people believe a lot in Machel Mata. So my next Dogri song is again a very new song from Sanju Sharma, who's from a village near Lati in Dudu, Udhampur district of Jammu region. And the song talks about Mithli hai Dogri Zaban. So there is a famous saying which I love quoting, Mithli hai Dogri di boli te khand mithe log Dogri, which means sweet is Dogri language and sweet as sugar are Dogras. So this song talks about our Mithli Dogri Zaban, our sweet Dogri language.
मिठड़ी ऐ डोगरी जवान, मिठड़ी ऐ डोगरी जवान, मिठड़ी ऐ डोगरी जवान साड़ी को, मिठड़ी ऐ डोगरी जवान साड़ी को, मिठड़ी ऐ डोगरी जवान, मिठड़ी ऐ डोगरी जवान, मिठड़ी ऐ डोगरी जवान, मिठड़ी ऐ डोगरी जवान। दियां जम्मू साड़ा देश महान जम्मू साड़ा देश महान जम्मू साड़ा देश महान मिठड़ी है डोगरी जवान ठंडे पानी नाले पाड़े दा शिंगार ठंडे ठंडे पानी नाले पाड़े दा शिंगार मक्किए दी रोटी कन्ने सरेआं दा साग खाने की लगदा स्वाद खाने की लगदा स्वाद खाने की लगदा स्वाद मिठड़ी है डोगरी जवान जम्मू लोचन राजा जदू जम्मू च आया जम्मू लोचन राजा जदू जम्मू च आया लोकें दा प्यार दिखी बड़ा हर छाया दिता शहर जम्मू दा बसा दिता शहर जम्मू दा बसा दिता शहर जम्मू दा बसा मिठड़ी है डोगरी जवान बकरिया चिट्ठा पानी पीता शेर कन्ने बकरिया चिट्ठा पानी पीता राजा जम्बू लोचने ओ दिखी लेता दिखी राजा होया हैरान दिखी राजा होया हैरान दिखी राजा होया हैरान मिठड़ी है डोगरी जवान गरी जवान मिठड़ी है डोगरी।
Thank you, Lalit. What a beautiful song. So the next temple I'm going to talk about is a really, very important temple because it is in the other part of Kashmir, which is occupied by Pakistan. So it's called Sharda Temple. It's located in Neelam Valley. Neelam Valley is also called Kishanganga. And it's in a small village called Shardi, which is near the confluence of Kishanganga and Madhumati rivers. So it is one of the most sacred sites for Kashmiri Pandits. There are three very famous holy sites for Kashmiris. One is the Sharda Temple, the other is the Martin Sun Temple, which we talked about last time, and the third one is the Amarnath Temple, which we have talked in the past, but we'll talk about it again. But it's really, really important. And the Sharda Peeth, the history is that when Devi Sati was being carried by her husband Lord Shiva, her body parts apparently they fell, and the temple was built called Sharda. So therefore, it's one of the 18 Mahashakti Peethas or Grand Shakti Peeths, a highly revered temple, not just in northern India but throughout South Asia. Now, a lot of people, as the relationships between the two countries are improving, a lot of people are visiting Sharda Temple, and yeah, it's quite exciting, and hopefully, at one point, there might be regular pilgrimage to the site. It's one of the most revered sites of Hindus. So let's talk about more temples. But before that, we listen to another song by Vijay Mallaji. It's a very nice, soothing song. One of the very famous romantic songs that he has sung.
बुलबुल फिरा बुलबुल फिरा वंजू गुलन अंतन सुमदन वार अंतन सुमदन वार बुलबुल फिरा वंजू गुलन अंतन सुमदन वार अंतन सुमदन वार बुलबुल फिरा कुमार क्या छुस यंबर जलन हरनन करान शिकार चाने शिकार चाने शिकार चाने जंगल बलन अंतन सुमदन अंतन सुमदन बुलबुल फिरा सुबह आवतई सुबह आवतई सुबह आवतई नूरो फलम सरीछ नजरे चाने नजरे चाने नजरे चाने बेमार बलम अंतन सुमदन अंतन सुमदन बुलबुल फिरा ग्राम सले डलन नाशेक ग्राम चाशे ग्राम चाशे ग्राम सले डलन आशे ग्राम सले डलन आशे ग्राम सले डलन सार लजम ब्रसवार आशे द्राम सले डलन सार लजम ब्रसवार छै हब खोतू छै हब खोतू छै हब खोतू तथी दलन अंतन सुमदन वार अंतन सुमदन वार बुलबुल फिरा वंजू गुलन अंतन सुमदन वार अंतन सुमदन वार अंतन सुमदन अंतन सुमदन
Wow, what a lovely romantic number by Vijay Mallaji. That was a nice Kashmiri song. Now moving back to the Jammu region, Kishtwar, what we are talking about, we have spoken about few shrines in Kishtwar region of Jammu. The next one is a famous temple again called Sarthal Mata. Again, it is a Durga Mata. It is considered as reincarnation of goddess Durga, and she is the chief deity of the Hindus in Kishtwar of Jammu region and adjoining areas. This temple in question was originally made from the stones by locals under the patronage of Raja Agardev of Kishtwar. This holy temple was renovated again by Maharaja Hari Singh Ji in 1936 from the wood of Dayalwan and Devi Yunwan forest. Situated at approximately 6,000 feet, this scenic temple is covered with snow during winters. A number of peaks in the Pir Panjal range are visible from the temple, and the area around is amazingly, breathtakingly beautiful. Kishtwar in itself is a very beautiful area, but the location of this temple is even more beautiful, and it is worth a visit. Not only to give your obedience or your, to visit the temple, but also to visit the areas around. And as you might know, Kishtwar is known for blue sapphires. It is beautiful collection of sapphires there in underground, and it is known to produce the best quality sapphires in India. So Kishtwar should be on your list to visit next. My next song is another Dogri song, which is again a new song. I purposely chose a lot of new upcoming singers today because A, I'm very glad that new people are coming in the field and choosing to sing Dogri songs, and B, we need to promote the upcoming singers. So the song is sung by Ashok Kumar, and it is called Sair Karni Pahada Di. So it talks about the beauty of mountain region, and it's talking about let's go for a sair or a tour of the mountains, and talks about different regions in different areas of Jammu like Udhampur, Doda, and many other places you listen in the song. So enjoy this song. It will virtually take you to the mountains.
सैर करनी पहाड़े दी चल दम जन चल जाओ डुडो बसंत कड़े दी ओ टिक टिक डाचे हो सैर करनी पहाड़े दी चल दम जन चल जाओ डुडो बसंत कड़े दी ओ टिक टिक डाचे हो गर्मियां दे दिन अस बनानियां छुट्टियां हो सरियां दा साग खानियां मक्कां दियां रुट्टियां हो साग भबरुए दा कन्नै कर सोड़ कोलाचे हो डुडू बसंत कड़े दी ओ टिक टिक टाचे हो पचौड़ सुने दी चिड़िया बेने चौवे चंडी मां दे दर्शन पाते डुडू बसंत कड़े दी ओ टिक टिक टाचे हो ते बाकी बाकियां नारा प्यार वे दिया शावां ते बेई गल्लां लाते डुडू बसंत कड़े दी ओ टिक टिक टाचे हो के दा दर्शन पाना दर्शन पाइया आस जीवन सफल बना चाओ डुडू बसंत कड़े दियो टिक टिक डाचाओ डुडू बसंत कड़े दियो टिक टिक डाचाओ डुडू बसंत कड़े दियो टिक टिक डाचाओ सैर करनी पाड़े दी चल दम जन चल जाओ डुडू बसंत कड़े दियो टिक टिक
Another very lovely song. Lalit, while you were talking about the temples, I was thinking that most of the temples in the Jammu region are dedicated to Devi, Bhavani, Durga incarnation, and most of the temples in Kashmir are devoted, seem to be devoted to Lord Shiva. So I guess because Kashmir is in the foothills of Himalayas, and Lord Shiva lives in the Himalayas, is the abode of Lord Shiva. So that is one interesting thing. So on that note, the temple I'm going to talk about next is also devoted to Lord Shiva. It's called Mamaleshwar Temple, and it's one of the most ancient temples in Pahalgam. It has a history dating back to the 12th century. It was built by King Jai Simha on the bank of river Lidar. So Lidar is a very important river which flows through Pahalgam. It's a tourist destination, Pahalgam, as everyone knows. And the river Lidar is runs through Pahalgam, and the temple is built on its bank, and it is at a height of 8,800 feet above sea level. And like I said, this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and that's why it's called Mamaleshwara. So why it's called Mamaleshwara? The legend has it that Lord Ganesha was placed as doorkeeper so as not to allow anyone to enter the temple without his permission. So the temple was called Ma Mamal, which means don't go. So there is the visitors who visit Pahalgam, it's a must go for them. And the architecture again, it's very unique, as is of all the temples. And there is a unique ambience when you go to Lord Shiva's temple on the foothills of Himalayas. There's something spectacular about it and very divine. So let's now go to another song. It's a Rof song. Rof is a Kashmiri traditional dance where a lot of ladies and sometimes men get together and dance in the chorus, and it's quite famous. And if you remember, Lalit, we have had quite a few Rof sessions in
Yes.
London, and we have danced to quite a few songs. So let's play this nice and peppy number.
Dakadun mo phutra yor khusro ziniya Dakadun mo phutra yor khusro ziniya
What a lovely roof. I love roofs, Kashmiri. In Kashmiri songs, I love roof because I love to dance and it always makes me shake my feet. And as Shafalika ji said, in London, we've had a lot, many times, performances on roof. And once we all did it on the stage on India Day 2019. So roof are very close to me. Now moving back to Jammu region from Srinagar. We are now going to talk about another very, very famous and beautiful temple of Jammu region. These temples, now we are moving from Kishtwar, are in Udhampur district and they're called Krimchi temples. They are also popularly known as Pandav temples. This is a complex of 7 ancient temples and it is located on the bank of a stream, Birunala, in village Krimchi. It's 12 kilometers from Udhampur. This group of temples is locally, as I told you, known as Pandava temples. These temples is believed to be over 1,000 years old. According to the Archaeological Survey of India, these temples were constructed during 3000 BC. The temples were constructed in stages. And the local belief is that during the Mahabharata war, late Pandava dynasty that ruled in Jammu and Kashmir at that time. According to legendary accounts, Raja Kitak was said to be the creator of the town of Krimchi and the kingdom. It is also said Pandavas in exile remained there for a long period. As the temples were built in 8th century, these temple complexes reflect the profoundness of Indo-Greek architecture. The complex consists of 4 large and 3 small temples. The main temple is 50 feet tall and is dedicated to Shiva, Ganesha, Vishnu and Parvati. The architecture is much similar to many other temples in Jammu and Kashmir. Now the next Dogri song I'm going to play is sung by a very young talented singer called Vanshika Jaral from Jammu, and this song is in a particular folk style of Jammu which is called Dogri Pak. Dogri written as B-A-K-H but pronounced as Pak. So it is a Dogri Pak. I hope you like it.
साबण कपड़े जो धोंदे ना कोल पुलवा बहिरों दे ना मली मली साबण कपड़े जो धोंदे कोल पुलवा बहिरों दे ना कोल पुलवा बहिरों दे ना ओ मड़िए जिंदड़िए बारिश पई कियां रोंदे ना बारिश पई
Excellent, what nice songs we have played, and also we have hopefully improved the temple knowledge of our audience today of the region. So we are nearing the end of today's program, and like I said, a lot of temples in Kashmir dedicated to either Lord Shiva or Lord Vishnu. So in that context, there is another temple which I'm going to talk about. It's called Naranag Temple, and it's one of the most important archaeological sites of the country. It's actually a group of temples. It's not one temple. It's situated in the lap of Harmukh Mountain. So Harmukh Mountain, the abode of Lord Shiva. It's 50 kilometers from Srinagar city and upstream from Sindh River. So it's a cluster of temples, and they all face each other. It's dedicated to Lord Shiva, and it was built by 8th century ruler Lalita Ditya Muktapida. So he's a very famous emperor. And so the art and the skill of the builders of this temple is quite phenomenal. And if you look at temples built in the 8th and 10th century, the architecture is quite similar and it's very impressive. So, but unfortunately, a lot of these temples are in ruins now. And the last we heard was the government is building some walls to protect them from encroachments. So let's listen to another song now, and I think with that we will come to the end of today's program as well. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Oh, sorry, not tomorrow. I wish tomorrow. Next week, same time on Friday, and we will talk about other aspects of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir.
So good night.
Maybe we'll talk about food.
We leave you with this song this week and see you next Friday. Enjoy Badam Ware from Kashmir.